You gonna make us shrimp?
Yes, I am. Lucas picked out the numbers. We did, remember, yesterday?
Oh, she decorated another one. You're so sweet, Kitana. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Hi everyone, I just wanted to come on here and say hello and say thank you. Thank you to those of you who have messaged me some birthday wishes. You are very sweet and you are very appreciated. So I just wanted to say that.
Yes, you are.
Yes, they are. Yes, you guys are. We're waiting for George and Lucas to get back. We had to make a delivery across town, so George quickly went as Kitana and I were getting dressed. We finally got ready for the day. Yeah, I was up a lot throughout the night. I just had a horrible headache because I kind of didn't eat yesterday until evening, and that was my own fault, and I know better, but it happens sometimes. But I ended up getting a terrible headache, and it just kept me up most of the night. So we were very lazy today, but we needed to rest earlier. But with all of that being said, it's been a really good day. The kids and George keep surprising me with little things, and they're just too sweet. I love you, Kitana.
We heart you too.
You heart me. So we're going to go out and have some fun. I want to, like, if we browse around at the mall or anything like that, I want to grab Kitana, like, maybe a few new shirts, maybe 2 or 3 new shirts or so, because she really needs them. And I was saying that to my mom when I was on the phone with her, and Kitana yelled across the room. She's like, no, it's your birthday.
If we get
My
anything,
sweetheart.
if we get anything for somebody, it's gonna be you.
I have enough presents, Kitana.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
You're my gift.
No, you don't.
Yes, you are. Your mommy's the most special gift in my whole entire life. All you kiddos are. I love you. But yeah, that's what's going on. All of that, and me still trying to keep the redness covered. Maybe tomorrow I'll show you guys like how red I am, but I did put more BB cream on because that's what I have, and it does cover most of the redness, but I'm still peeling. I look like a tomato. I'm thinking to take these clips and let me sit back down over here. I'm thinking to take these clips and edit them together and maybe post a little video on YouTube. Since we're not vlogging today, we decided not to vlog. But I'll probably be posting a few more clips throughout the day for fun. But thank you guys for always being here with us. Thank you again for the birthday wishes. And I hope that you're having a good day. I hope that you all have a good weekend. And see you guys in the next clip.
Oh, I just wanna feel this moment. He was dancing. Thank you for bringing us to Ikea.
You're welcome.
It was like an hour and a half drive.
Yes, it was.
But if we see anything that we actually want, like furniture-wise, we would order it because we don't have enough room in our car.
We don't have enough room.
But we might find a few small things, so we came for fun. I'm excited. We haven't been here for like 2 years.
Like this area right here because the seat is actually comfortable and it's a perfect spot for me to put my books I like to read. Hi guys.
I'm not big on wallpaper, but this is gorgeous. We really don't have the space for something like this, but if we did, I would totally get these. Hang them on a nice rod, probably a stainless steel. So pretty. What do you guys think about this sink? I love it. I told George if he put this into our bathroom, I don't care about anything else. I don't know. I think it's really pretty. And this shower, it's beautiful. We couldn't have anything like that. It's way too big for our bathroom. That's gorgeous. Do you like that? A fake plant or upside down twigs, branches.
That. Can you watch whatever you want there?
I like your house. Can I come in? Yes. Okay. Wait the doorbell. Hold the doorbell.
That's definitely not a door.
She Puerto Rican there. She went to the window.
All of this for my baby alive doll because all she has right now is sweets to eat.
Your baby alive doll?
Yeah, she has no real food, so
Some real food? What is
Fruits and
Lucas
vegetables.
getting?
yeah, it's a little shopping bag too. So it's like I actually,
Show us.
so it's like I want to talk.
A piggy. Lucas loves piggies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mama, can I eat soon?
You want to eat soon? Okay, baby. We'll eat soon. These don't match our style that we're going to be going for, but I really, really like them. Baby, aren't they nice?
Yeah, they're very nice.
George wants to get Kitana something like this for her room.
She's loving this one.
So pretty. I don't think I like that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.